How to delete Instagram chats from both sides. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete a specific Instagram chats from both sides. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app. In order to send a chat, tap on Messenger icon on your top right, and let's go ahead and send a chat. In order to delete this specific chat, long tap onto it and tap on Unsend. Just like so, this is how you can unsend. If you just made a typo in your text and would like to unsend your text, then you can simply edit your text. Long tap onto it and tap onto edit. Once done, tap onto send and it will show as edited. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.